With Commonwealth school year coming to an end, many students are taking different routes. Seniors are partying to college, and others are focusing on summer jobs or prepping for the next school year. Let's see what Commonwealth students plan to do after school gets out. For Scott Center News, I'm Artie Hazelton.
Although this school year was quite tough for most students, it was enjoyable.
Well, I've enjoyed my school year a lot, actually. More than last year. I don't know, last year was a little slow starting off, but this year was more fun.
It was pretty good. I'd say it's the hardest school year I had in all 4 years. I'm going to UCSD. I don't really know. I mean, I'm majoring in general biology because I know I want to do biology, but in terms of how well I have it planned out, I don't have it that planned out at all.
It was hard to get through, just trying to stay motivated and maintain good grades, but other than that, it was pretty good.
This summer, students take part in different activities to prepare for the upcoming semesters.
This summer I'm taking SAT classes and I'm getting a summer job to pay for them. I think it will help get me some experience, and also you can put it on college applications.
Football season's in the fall, so every day in the summer I'm going to put in work for August. You already know.
Well, I'm going to be working this summer to make some extra cash to help pay for college, and other than that, really nothing much.
The expectations for the next school year is high for students, but like this year, should prove to be enjoyable.
I mean, I'm expecting it to be challenging, I guess, but I don't really know what to expect. People are just have a good time, college is what you make of it, and I'm ready for anything.
It's obviously going to take some time to adjust to, but I think I'll be able to adapt to the workload and the schedule and be able to have a good year next year.
From summer jobs to college, Commonwealth students prove to show a variety of different paths this summer. All students are worrying about now are the spring finals, and after that, they will be on their own. For Scott Center News, I'm Artie Hazelton. Thanks for watching.